Hello everyone! Now today in this video we're going to learn about the fractions. Okay, and we're going to look at the numerator and denominator. I know it's a new word. Are you ready to learn? Good. I'm very excited too. Now are you ready to start? Good. As you can see over here, you probably have seen this before. Now what do we call this? We call this 1/2, 1/2. And it's been divided into two. Now, the important thing over here is that it's been divided equally, okay? Now, I have written 1/2 over here, and I would like to tell you that they've got a name. And this number 2 is called denominator, okay? And it tells you how many equal parts are in a whole circle, okay? So I've got 2 equal parts in a whole circle, so I've written 2. Now, the one at the top, it tells you how many equal parts are being described. So I'm talking about just half of a whole circle. So that's why I've written just 1, okay? So because I'm only talking about the one side of the whole circle. Now let's have a look at this one. What do we call this? We call this 1/4. Okay, we call this 1/4. And have a look at how many equal parts are in this whole circle. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write 4 over here because it's been divided into 4 equal parts. And, I'm going to just shade one side. So what do I have to write at the top? 1, because I've only shaded 1 and I'm only talking about this one. Okay, so who can tell me, what do we call this at the bottom? Which tells me how many equal parts there are in the whole circle. So that's denominator, and this one at the top is numerator. Okay, so what if I do this? Whoa. Now let's count how many parts that I have shaded. 1, 2, 3. So I've shaded 3. So what do I need to do? Where do I need to change? Do I have to change this or this at the top? Good on you. So I need to change the numerator. Okay, so instead of 1, I need to put 3 because I've shaded this 3. Okay. Now, let's have a look at this as well. What do we call this? We call this 1/3. Now, how many equal parts are in this? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts in this whole circle. So, from over here, I'm going to shade. So, what do I need to put at the top? So the numerator is going to be 2. Well done. So we call this denominator, which tells you how many equal parts there are in the whole circle. And the 2 is numerator. Okay, tells you how many equal parts there are being described. Now, this is another question that I'm going to ask. Let's have a look. How many equal parts there are in this whole rectangle? Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, who can tell me? Is it going to be the numerator or denominator? Good, well done. It's going to be at the bottom, and it is denominator because it tells you how many equal parts there are in this whole rectangle. Okay, now the next one. Who can help me to write the numerator? What are you going to write? What number are you going to write? Good, you're going to write 2. Well done, because I've shaded 2. What's that I'm talking about, okay? Well done, everyone.